Here we go. He's back. This is the 4th time he's back. Mr. Titmouse. What do you think of that? He just wants some of that hair to build his nest. He's digging away. Look at the little bub. Come on, you can come back. It's okay. Yeah, there you go. Seriously. I'm just sitting here on the front porch reading my book, and he's been visiting me. So I thought you guys would enjoy this. First time was I posted a video of that, and then out back he did it again. I didn't have a camera on me, and I walked around with him. We'll see if he'll let me do it. Oh, he just jumped off. Come here, come on back. Come on. Where is he? Come on. Is he over there? If you can see him. See if you can. Can you hear the hawk in the background? Okay, he's coming back. Ready? Here he comes. Come on. Yep, there he is. Not even afraid. That beak, good thing I have a lot of padding on the hair. Let's see if he lets me get up. Okay, I'm getting up. See if he lets me walk around. Yeah, he doesn't care. Walking towards the front door. Okay. This is crazy, isn't it? I need to name this little guy. I don't know, what do you think? Is this a male or a female? I don't know. Who does most of the work building the nest? I think they both do. Male and female. Yeah, I'm just walking around. Let's see how far he lets me go. Okay. Wow. Now look at him. He's like a parrot. On my head. Hello. Yeah, I'm just booking it along. Can't see because of the glare. So I'm gonna go back here. Can you hear the hummingbirds? See if I can get the hummingbird in the picture too. You can hear the hummingbirds probably. Okay, I'll just stay by this feeder because maybe we can get both in the picture. See if I can get a hummingbird in there. Yeah, there's the hummingbird. I can't believe, no, this is, hope he doesn't like poop in my hair. Seriously? I just can't believe this. This little guy is crazy. Teddy, the titmouse. What do you think? Terry the titmouse? Timothy the titmouse? I don't know. Oh, there's another titmouse. I saw you another one. Okay. Got a party light box on the front porch. I don't want to trip over that. Guys, this is going on a long time. I'm into 5 minutes in this video. Seriously? Let's see how much longer he can go. All right, I'll start walking faster. Let me see if that does anything. Let's see if he goes anywhere. If I just walk it along, walking along, walking along. Do a little exercise here. Put the bird in my hair. Yep, he's not caring. Now he's in the back of my head. He's way in the back. Oh, now he's in the front. Okay. Oh, there he goes.